In the last cyber videos, we've talked about social engineering, the techniques attackers use, and how they gather information. But today, let's put all of that together. Let's walk through what a typical social engineering attack might look like from start to finish. Not to show how to do it, but to understand how it works so it's easier to recognize. It usually starts with research. If someone wanted to build a believable message, they wouldn't need everything about you. They just need a few small details, an email address, a service you might use, maybe a company name. That information can come from public sources or older data breaches. Not perfect information, just enough to make something feel familiar. Next comes the first message, and this is important. It usually doesn't look suspicious. If it did, the process would fail immediately. Instead, it looks routine, something you've seen before. A delivery update, an account notice, a simple notification. Because familiarity is what gets attention without raising concern. Then the message begins to shift. This is where the techniques we've covered start to appear. Urgency, authority, emotional pressure. Immediate action required. Suspicious activity detected. Final notice. These aren't random phrases. They're designed to reduce the time you spend thinking, to move you from checking to reacting. At some point, the message asks for action. Click a link, log in, enter a code. This is the moment everything leads to. Not the message itself, but the decision that follows it. If that action happens, the attacker gains something. Maybe account access, maybe a password, maybe a verification code. And from there, they may try to expand that access, reset accounts, send more messages, continue the process. What matters here is not the details, it's the pattern. Because this process is repeatable. It doesn't rely on one perfect message. It relies on a structure that works again and again. The important part is this. You don't need to stop every step. You only need to stop one. If you pause before taking action, the entire process breaks. That's why slowing down is so effective. Once you understand the flow, these messages stop feeling random. You can start to recognize where you are in the process. And when you can see it, you don't have to react to it.
Cybersecurity doesn't have to be scary or complicated. Here in Zyber, we show you how to make it simple, practical, and even a little fun. Stay smart, stay secure. This has been Z. Till next time.